Hello guys, welcome to my Advent Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Instagram. Sorry, there was a problem with your request. So before going to start the video, if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing the issue with your Instagram login and you are facing the error, sorry, there was a problem with your request, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to open the settings. Just tap on the settings. Scroll down a little bit. You can see here apps, tap on the apps, tap on see all apps. Here you need to find Instagram. Just tap on the Instagram. Once tap on the force stop, tap on OK. You can see here storage and cache. Just tap on this. Tap on clear cache. After that, if you know your Instagram user ID and password, just tap on the clear storage and tap on delete. Then go back, open the Play Store, then type here Instagram. If your Instagram is not up to date, then update it from here. After updating, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix sorry there was a problem with your request on your Instagram. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.